This week we're getting ourselves and our tiny home on wheels back over to mainland Australia. We've got an 11-hour crossing on the Spirit of Tasmania to Geelong, and let's just say it was kind of eventful.
Are you spewing up? The waves have picked up massively.
This is really not going to plan at all today. We've just spent an incredible 5 weeks in Tasmania, and although the end didn't go exactly to plan, I'm really disappointed in myself. We have had the time of our lives. So you guys asked for more raw travel vlogs, and this one's probably about as raw as it gets.
Are you right? Oh, Megan, flush it.
Might need a bit of a trigger warning actually.
You ready?
Kind of. I'm sad.
It's a sad day, guys.
We're leaving Tasmania.
We're going on the ship. We're a bit late actually, aren't we?
Yeah, a little bit.
Right, car is gonna start. Car's gonna start.
Do you know my ID?
Yeah, I've got it. Good morning.
Hello. Just as booking the weekly got there.
Oh yeah, booking number 1459 7235. That's us. How you going? Good.
Three little boarding passes.
Oh yeah.
So I'll just get you to turn the car off and just make sure the dash cam's off as well.
Yeah.
So we're all checked in and we've just come through the security check there, and they took our gas bottle this time, which they didn't do when we came from Geelong to Tasmania. But oh well, we get it back when we're in Geelong, and now we're just waiting in line with all the other overhyped vehicles. I think boarding is just about to start, so we made it just in time.
Oh, here we go. We're going in now. Into the ship we go. Are you sad?
Yeah, we had to come out to officially say goodbye to Tasmania.
Goodbye, Tassie. Give it a big wave, mate.
Actually, so sad. I know we'll be back though.
But guys, we're off. Let's hope we don't have a let's hope there's not rough seas. And the troopy makeshift handbrake holds up. Officially left. As you can see, we're in a cabin. We've got a 2-bed cabin. Megan's already straight on the bed.
I'm so tired. I don't know what's
For some reason, she's tired. We don't know.
Maybe
But
it's just like coming down off Tasmania, maybe.
yeah,
All the excitement.
it's the adventure. It is just. It's been great, but it's just ruined us, eh?
Anyway, welcome. So you may notice that this time we have a window. That's the first thing that's quite exciting about this cabin.
It's going to be so cool when we're about 7 hours into the journey and you just look out and you see nothing. If it gets rough, it'll be cool, but at the same time, it won't be cool.
Yes,
It'll
but
be scary.
also first impressions already.
Yeah.
This cabin is a lot less vibrating and rattly
Yes.
than the one that we had on the way
4
to
bed.
Tasmania. So that was a 4-bed one on a lower deck and also in the middle of
Yeah.
the ship. So obviously it didn't have a window. So that might be a little tip for you guys, because that was quite rough. It was very loud and it was like you were in like a massage chair, but not a nice massage chair.
Yeah.
You know, just...
So this one's much nicer.
Yeah. It was a little bit more expensive, but that is also why we came back on the day ship as well, because the day ship is cheaper than the night ship.
Yeah.
So anyway, welcome to our room. We'll start off with a little tour. So again, we've got light switches everywhere and power points, another nice big mirror, and I'm guessing you could probably drag that little chair over there and you could have a little desk space here as well, which is handy. We've got some hooks, hot and cold aircon. I'm not sure how well that worked last time, but we've got the heat on today. What are these?
I don't know. Oh, that's for internet.
Old school internet.
Does anybody even use them anymore?
I don't know.
I would like to know.
It's been a while. Does it still make that noise? You know that?
That's-
noise?
I don't think dial-up exists anymore. Beds look comfy.
Yeah, although that was the thing that was quite luxurious about having the 4 bunk beds last time, is because we could double our pillows up, which we
Yeah.
can't do this time, but oh well.
Comes with towels as well.
Yeah.
So we got 2 towels each.
Fresh towels are always such a luxury when you're living out of a car because ours are just constantly damp. And the bathroom, again, huge luxury. So spacious.
They're surprisingly nice, eh?
Yeah. So is the shower. That's massive.
Comes
Really,
with soap
really
and
think
everything
about
as well.
it. Multi-purpose soap. It's like soap / shampoos. What else we got? Shelving down here if you really wanted to unpack in here.
Let's see how the toilet flushes. This is pretty cool. Ready? Just anyone's wondering. It's pretty cool. But that's pretty much it. It's a nice, simple cabin.
Yeah, I like it.
We like it. It's bigger than the Troopy. We like it. So the boat has got so much more to do. Well, we think. We're going to go out and explore it. There is a cinema. We're hoping that we can go watch a movie. And lunch starts at 12. So we're hoping we can go get some nice food and show you guys kind of what food they've got. I
But
guess.
first, I really need a coffee.
Someone needs a coffee.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
Much better.
So, like I said, the ship is massive. We didn't get a chance to explore it last time because we weren't feeling too well, but today we've just gone for a bit of a walk around. It's got a bar, barista made coffee. It's got something they call the pantry. It's a convenience store. You can buy even a puffer jacket if you feel like it. It's got a cinema, a kids playground, and recliner chairs that go for days. There's people napping everywhere, so you don't need a cabin. But the cabin is nice, isn't it?
So we made our way to the very top of the ship and we found a game room, which was totally unexpected. And also unexpected is how rough the ship sort of feels up here. We've literally been like walking like this the whole time.
We're going to get some cash out because there's a pay pass machine. They make it too easy. Oh, it's out of order.
Oh, are you kidding? Toy Story one. Oh, now I'm just going to get sad that I can't play. I don't like it.
I think we
feel
should go
sick.
back inside, eh? What's wrong, Megan?
Wait for it.
Guys, see, the waves have picked up massively. The swell is huge. I'm heading back to the cabin and Megan's running there. I don't think she's feeling well. How you feeling? Look. Whoa, what was that? Back in here, Megan. I think you gotta lay down. Oh no. Oh no. Card's not working. Uh-oh.
Maybe try the other one.
Hold that one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no. We got 2. Alright, second try. Oh yes, we're in. Oh, I'm sweet home, mate. Meg's crawling in.
Oh my god.
It's pretty bad, guys. It's pretty bad out there.
Oh no.
Whoa, look at the swell.
Stop talking about
Swell's intense.
it. No.
Straight in the bathroom. Are you sick?
Sink or toilet?
Toilet.
Okay.
I'm loving it, guys. This is the best thing ever. Ew. We saw a pod of dolphins as well. Ah, this is living. Uh-oh, tummy's hurting a little bit though. Are you spewing up?
You filming me?
Yeah. We share everything. Get on the Spirit of Tasmania. Are you actually sick?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh no. We're gonna put the camera down and look after Megan. Oh, she's spewing up. Are you alright?
Yeah.
Can I close the door so I don't spew up?
Yeah.
Oh, yuck. She's done. Oh, poor Megan. She hasn't made it. We lost a soldier.
Splashed in my face.
Are you alright?
Oh,
Oh, Megan, flush it. Oh, no.
Is it in my eye?
Megan, can you just flush that toilet, please?
Yeah, just a sec.
Well, guys, it started off so well. But, Megan's down. She's gone. Oh, no. We still got, like... How many hours we got left, Megan? You alright?
While.
We've got, like, 6 hours left.
I think even longer than that, like 8 maybe.
Oh, no. Don't spew up anymore. I shouldn't be laughing. I'm going to go help her. Hang on.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Lying down helps a little bit, but you can still feel it. Feeling better now though. I can't even remember the last time I vomited. Probably in my wild binge drinking years, to be honest.
Imagine the poor people in the restaurant trying to cook the food.
I know, they must have very, very good stomachs. Wow.
I think it's time to have a rest, eh?
Yeah, I think that's a good excuse for a nap. Actually, it might be nice. It might be like rocking you to sleep a little bit.
Yeah. Whoa. Guys, the waves out there are gigantic. The waves are hitting the boat and we're on the 7th deck. It's hitting the window. It's like completely smashing into the window. It's just nuts what this boat can do. Megan's gone, guys. She's fully gone. Are you awake, Megan?
I'm awake. All I can hear is whoa.
As soon as she stands up, she's straight in the bathroom. On the toilet, aren't you?
Not on the toilet.
She's sitting on the floor looking at the toilet.
Hugging the toilet.
Yeah.
These beds are very comfortable though.
Yeah,
I'll
they
give
are.
them that.
Yep. Here you go, Megan.
Thank you.
Delivery for a sick girl.
Thank you. I'll let you in on a secret. Jack and I argued about getting this cabin when we were booking these tickets. I said, no, that's a completely unnecessary splurge.
Yeah.
Being silly. And now I'm so thankful that
So
we
thankful.
should definitely get it.
So if you think you're going to get sick on the ship and you have the budget for it, get a cabin. I went to the convenience store.
This day is not really going how we planned. So originally when we planned today, we thought this is going to be great. We can show everything that is to do on the ship. We can go to the cinema, go eat in the restaurant, and then we thought, like, again, tight asses, let's save the money that it would cost to go to the cinema and use it on the restaurant.
Yeah.
And now we've sort of slept through lunch on the restaurant. So
It got incredibly.
convenient store lunch, but that looks good.
I got you a what is it? A pumpkin
vegetarian.
sandwich. I knew she would like that.
Veggie.
And I got myself a chicken and leek creamy camembert sauce.
Camembert.
I
It's a
can't read.
packaged
Anyway, oh look, another ship.
Oh.
We're pretty much here.
Crazy. And then also the other reason I was so excited to have this room with the window, and I can't look out the window because it makes me feel sick.
Yeah, it makes
So
me
it's
feel
just
sick.
really not going to plan at all today, is it?
Here we go. Look, we're gonna hit it. Ready? What's so funny? We're about 3 meters away. Ready? We'll hit it. We'll feel it. It's gonna hit in 3, 2, 1. We're back. We're done. We're on land.
Oh, is that it?
We're here.
It's literally exactly 6:30 right now.
We made it, guys. We're alive.
That's crazy.
We've just made it to Geelong, and it's got these massive machines out there. It looks. I'm thinking they suck the boat like suction cups. And I'm just so intrigued. Megan doesn't care. Megan doesn't care at all. But the amount of weight that this thing must weigh, and then what it's just done. See, it's pushing us now, Megan? You feel it?
Kind of.
I'm so intrigued, guys. Sorry. But anyway, time to pack up. And we got to go find a free camp. We're used to free camps now.
Yeah.
We got to change that mindset now.
Well, we can definitely still find one tonight, but I just can't believe we're not in Tasmania anymore.
I know, it's so sad. Let's hope the troopy's alright. We'll see you down there.
Okay, we're off the boat, and now I feel like it's official. Tasmania is done.
In Tassie was the best time of our lives.
And it went by in a flash.
We explored some of the most beautiful places we have ever seen. And now we're back on the mainland. But the adventure goes on still.
Yeah, we
Pretty
still got a lot to
excited.
see.
We're so accustomed to free camping now.
Yeah.
It's going to be a shock when we can't find any.
But I did find one just 30 minutes out of Geelong that we're going to head to tonight.
Yeah.
So keep the free camping going as long as possible, I think. There was
reckon,
something else I wanted to say, but I forgot. What were you going to say?
Yeah. Bit of a
Oh yeah, city driving again.
bit of a merge happening there. Far out. It's good to be back though.
Afternoon, or it must be evening there, is it?
Yeah, it's like 8 o'clock here.
8 o'clock, okay. Good evening.
Evening. We just got back on the ship. I spewed 3 times.
Really? Was it that rough, was it?
Yeah, it was so bad. Hello.
Do you talk to your mum?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Feeling better?
No.
Classic. Well, I'm making Megan a hot chockey because she deserves it. She's had a hard day on the old Spirit of Tasmania. On the old Spirit.
What are you talking about?
We have absolutely cooked it today. We're done. But anyway, we loved our time in Tasmania, and we want to thank everybody once again
I'm
for
gonna have to do something weird here.
classic. We thank everybody for watching. We hope we gave you some information to take away about the boat. We tried our best, but we probably failed. But
And sorry about the spew.
we hope we gave you a laugh. Anyway, we'll see you next week.
See you next week.
The ship is rocking like nuts. How crazy is it?
That was someone's room.
Oh my gosh, it's real bad.
This was us in our first cabin. See how much they're vibrating?
They're fully vibrating. Oh yeah.
Because when we first boarded, I was like, this is so unnecessary. We don't even need this. But oh my gosh, if I had to spew in the public bathroom, I'd have been mortified.
Oh yeah. But anyway,
But they've got bags everywhere. here.
they've got spew bags
But
over
that
there.
probably would have been even more mortifying,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
But this boat is massive. Look at the size of it. I can't get over it. And we're literally just pivoting on the spot right now with its bow thrusters. It's crazy. Look at all the water it's pushing out. Megan's just like, Jack,
It's a boat.
I don't care, it's just a boat. But look at that. The size of those thrusters must be massive. Megan's probably going to cut this out of the video.
Maybe.